Hello everyone. We're looking at homework worksheet H1-4 on solving equations with fractions. Our directions for this entire worksheet: solve each equation by eliminating the fractions and then find the value of x. Number 1 says 3/4 x minus 2 equals 1/2 x plus 7. To solve this equation, we could take it and solve it with the values that are in there, but I know a lot of people dislike having fractions in their problems, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of those. In order to do that, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by a value that we could consider to be like the least common denominator. If we look at the denominators that would be in this equation, we have a 4, a 1, 2, and a 1. So we need a value that is divisible by 4, 1, and 2, or it has to have factors of 4, 1, and 2. In this case, the value 4 is divisible by 4, it's divisible by 2, and it's divisible by 1. Our goal then, would be to eliminate the fractions first by multiplying both sides by that value that we would consider to be the least common denominator. We're not trying to get a common denominator, we're just going to use that value. Let's take it here and we're going to multiply everything on both sides times 4. Now you can show as much work as you need to when you're doing this part of it here. Some people may want to take it and do 4 times 3/4 x minus 4 times 2 equals 4 times 1/2 plus 7. I'm sorry, 4 times 7. You can do it that way. If you need to show more work, that's fine. I know a lot of you don't like showing as much work. So if you want to take it and then, kind of do those calculations in your head, write it down, just be careful. 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 4 is 3 again, right? So it's almost like these 4's cancel out. So we have a 3x, and then 4 times 2 is 8, so we have minus 8 is equal to 4 times 1/2 would be 2, and 4 times 7, oops, you know what, you notice I forgot my x there. Let's throw that in there. So that should be a 2x. And then 4 times 7 is 28. So be careful there. You see I almost left my x off. So sometimes, showing more work can sometimes cause more problems if you forget something there. But, do what makes you comfortable. Now it's just a basic two-step equation here. Let's just take it and get all of our x's together. And then I'm going to go ahead and move my constants to the other side. So that's going to zero out. That's going to zero out, right? There's my equal bar, so I can follow my steps. I have x is going to equal 36. Now it's important here, that we take the time to check our answer. Don't put all the work into it there and then not figure out if it's right or wrong. Let's take our 36 and plug it back in. We've got 3/4 times 36 minus 2 should equal 1/2 of 36 plus 7. Well, 3/4 of 36, right? You can think about it as 36 divided by 4 is 9, times 3 is 27, minus 2 gives us 25 on this side. And on the right side, half of 36 is 18, and 18 plus 7 is also 25, so we know that our answer is correct. So 36 is our value for x. If you have additional questions, please reach out to me and let me know. I'd be happy to answer anything that you've got. Thanks for watching.